विद्यानिकेतन।
Hello, my dear children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I'm so happy to see your activities. You all are very good children. I'm going to give a clap for you. Do you know how to clap? How to clap? You don't know? Then I will show you. Clap like this. Clap, clap, clap your hands as slow as you can. Clap, clap, clap your hands as slow as you can. Then clap, clap, clap your hands as fast as you can. Clap, clap, clap your hands as fast as you can. Once more, clap fast. Clap slow, like this. Clap, clap, clap your hands as slow as you can. Clap, clap, clap your hands as fast as you can. Very good, children. Now I have brought some chocolates for you. Can you say in which hand I kept chocolates for you? Can you guess? Guess. This hand. Oh, nothing in this hand. It is empty. It is empty. Then look here. Yes, chocolates for you. A hand full of chocolates. This is for you. Then I will show you one more thing. Look here. Look here. Can you see two glasses? Look, this glass. This glass is empty. Then look, this glass. This glass full of water. This glass is full of water. This glass is empty and this glass is full of water. Understand? I think now you understood the concepts full and empty and fast and slow. Now I am going to show you one thing. Look here. What is this? This is a candle. And what is this? It is the flame. Can we touch the flame? No, it is hot. What happened if we touch the flame? What happened? Our fingertip will burn. So, do not touch fire because it is hot. It is hot. Then, look here. Look here. What is this? What is this? Yes, ice. I took this from refrigerator. I know that you all love to play with ice, isn't it? What's the reason? It is cold. It is cold. Then now I will show you more examples for hot and cold. Look here. What is this? This is a kettle. This is a kettle. Can we touch it now? Can we touch? No. Why? Steam is coming out. Because it is hot now. So, we cannot touch it now. Then, look here. Look here. What is this? Yes, ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Is it hot or cold? Tell me. Is it hot or cold? Yes, it is cold. It is cold. Then next is iron box. Iron box. This is iron box. When we plug this iron box, it becomes hot. Can we touch? Can we touch this? No, because it is hot. It is hot. We use this for ironing our clothes. We use this for ironing our clothes. Then now we will see more examples for all the concepts we have learned. Can you see two glasses? There is nothing in the first glass, so this glass is empty. See, in the second glass there is full of water, so this glass is full. Then look at this picture. Here we can see two baskets. First basket is full of apples and there is nothing in the second basket. First basket is full of apples and there is nothing in the second basket. So this basket is empty and this basket is full. Then here we can see two jars. A jar full of juice and an empty jar. Then here in this picture we can see a cup of tea and an ice cream. Can you see that steam is coming out from the cup? It is hot. And you already know that ice cream is cold. Am I right? Ice cream is cold. We have already seen that fire is hot and ice cube is cold. Fire is hot and ice cube is cold. Then here we can see a rabbit and a tortoise. Who runs fast, a rabbit or a tortoise? Rabbit is a fast runner and tortoise is a slow runner. Then in this picture, who is running fast? Who is running fast? First boy. Second boy is slow compared to the first boy. Second boy is slow compared to the first boy. Understand? So children, now it is the time for activity. You have to paste pictures related to the concept hot and cold, full and empty, and fast and slow. Okay? Then do this activity, take a photo and send that to our WhatsApp group. Okay children, see you in the next class. Bye-bye.
Purnodaya Vidya